Rhai bod na dimlad o ryddhad heddiw.
Ryddhad. Wedi bod yn tymor hir ac anodd fi credu. Digon o ups and downs gyda ni. Ond fi jyst yn hynod falch bod ni wedi llwyddo heddi i gael perfformiad ac ennill back to back. Tymor heb drosodd eto. Ond weithiau fi wedi gweld tîmau mynd lawr, tîmau clybiau mawr yn mynd lawr yn meddwl falle maen nhw'n rhy dda i fynd lawr. A dyna'n union y narratif o'n i ddim moyn, achos mae rhaid chi talu'r teyrngyd cywir i'r cyngor yma, i'r clybiau eraill sydd wedi buddsoddi ac yn chwarae yn y cyngor yma. So fi jyst mor hapus i sicrhau bod ni'n wario yn y cyngor yma flwyddyn nesaf.
Steve, how does it feel after that result?
Do you know what, it's like a kick in the teeth, to be honest. I thought we've done ever so well first half. You know, we should have gone in 3 or 4 up maybe. If we go in 3 or 4 up, it's a different game. We don't. We go in 1-0 up. We can see 2 sloppy goals. We've huffed and puffed, and we've created a few chances second half. You know, if you don't take your chances, you don't win games. But you know, fair play to Cardiff Met. They kept going. They kept grinding away. I don't think they created many chances. They've had 2 chances. We've probably had 5 or 6 real good chances, but you know, if it's not your day, it's not your day.
Fumper, is there a sense of relief there around that result?
Yeah, definitely. I think especially after going 1-0 down in the first half, but I think it shows the character that we got as a group to come back and win 2-1. Like, yeah, I'm just proud of the lads.
The picture now in terms of the league, Llanelli have done you a favour this afternoon by beating Flint, so there's still points to play for, but was this a big chance for 3 points missed?
You know, we've worked on it all week. We spoke about it before the game. You know, if we get a win here, and Flint didn't get a win, you know, everyone's back in the mire at the minute. You know, we're probably still favourites for the drop. But while there's still hope, while there's still points to play for, then, you know, if we go away, get a result at Llanelli, Flint lose, it goes to the last game, and it's anybody's, isn't it? But you know, probably the odds are in Flint's favour with having the 5-point gap. We need a bit of a miracle, but we'll keep going to the very end.